Welcome. We are ShopToIt. We make AI-based products for agencies so they can grow at scale by serving multiple businesses with no additional headcount. We are very affordable, starting at $39 per customer per month, unlimited campaigns. Now, with your help, every small business can get meaningful results, and you can create a recurring stream of profits. Here is an easy way to get started using our tools. You're an agency in a local market, and all around you, locally owned restaurants face serious risk of closure and lack of success. In order to survive, restaurants, pubs, and bars, or collectively hospitality services, are trying to entice customers with various daily specials like half-price wine nights, wing nights, happy hour, lunch specials, and dinner specials. However, there is no cost-effective way for a restaurant to promote its daily specials to a broad audience, outside of people already in the location or the few that follow them on Facebook or Instagram. But it's just not enough, they need more. With ShopToIt's Google Display Ads program, you can help any locally owned hospitality service provider by promoting their events with Google Display Ads targeted to local buyers and give them an AI-based conversion chatbot for $500 per month. And that includes a $200 monthly Google Ads budget. Ads display at the appropriate day and time, then turn off. This program is designed to drive foot traffic, awareness, and immediate sales. With a $200 ad spend, a $2.50 CPM, it's often lower under $2, and a frequency cap of 4, you will deliver 80,000 targeted impressions monthly, reaching 20,000 individual potential customers. You can set the location targeting of each campaign right down to 1 mile around the physical location. This builds both awareness and immediate increase in lifetime sales at a price point they can afford. Google Display Ads are visual ads shown on articles, videos, websites, and mobile apps that nearby consumers browse. The Google Display Network reaches over 90% of internet users globally and over 94% in North America. Google Display Ads target intention by analyzing recent search behavior, browsing history, and real-time page content to serve relevant ads to users who are actively researching or ready to buy. Compared to Facebook's walled garden, which reached roughly 51%. If you are going to run a campaign for 3 hours in a 5-mile radius, you'll need as many people as possible. Facebook, Instagram just don't have them. Google does. Also with Google, the same investment delivers 5 times more brand impressions. Appearing on sites like the New York Times, Condé Nast, TripAdvisor, OpenTable, to name a few, will improve their brand position dramatically. Day parting allows you to control when ads display, targeting audiences when they are most likely to act. For example, a Wing Wednesday special can be scheduled for Wednesdays from 4 to 7 p.m. You can effectively target the right audience using geographical location, including radius, zip codes, or cities. You can also target specific demographics like age, household income, parental status, and gender. Once you create your free ShopToIt Builder account, you add customers, and you can create and edit Google Display campaigns, choosing between image display ads for full creative control or responsive display ads to automatically generate ad combinations for wider reach. You don't need a Google Ads account. Everything is done on ShopToIt. Setting up a campaign is very easy. All you do is tell us the destination URL for the traffic, set a daily budget and language, tell us how you want to location target, and specifying the focus or goal for the ads. Also on each customer, you will need to decide who is paying Google and send them the billing profile setup email from Google. The payer can be anyone, you or the customer directly. We don't touch the budget, and there are no management fees. On another note, you will have to subscribe to one of our plans to activate the campaign. They start at $39 per month for one customer. Unlimited campaigns in any of search, maps, and/or display. Advanced settings allow you to set a frequency cap. You can also refine audience targeting by selecting age, gender, household income, and parental status demographics. You can easily customize the campaign schedule for each day of the week, allowing precise control over when your ads are shown to potential customers. The AI then goes out and creates the ads for you. Examples of different ad creatives and formats for image display campaigns across various devices and placements, ensuring maximum visibility. Once approved by you, the campaigns go live. The ad settings screen allows you to define the ad name, business name, and call to action. You can upload marketing assets and provide headlines and descriptions for responsive display ads. But you really don't have to. The AI provides it all. Once you approve the creatives, the ads go live in a couple of days, no delay. You and your customer can see the display campaign performance dashboard, and the reporting provides metrics like clicks, impressions, cost, average CPC, and average CPM. Geographic performance details clicks and impressions by city. You and your customer can see details about the engagement on the ads like gender and age group. This is great insight for you and your customer to set out a strategic plan for the future. The opportunity with AI chatbots is significant. SMEs report direct boosts to revenue, cost savings, and higher productivity, often seeing a 20 to 40% increase in conversion rates or customer satisfaction. Here's why. I'm on my phone, I come to a restaurant's website to book a table for dinner, but my partner is gluten intolerant. All I want to know is, do you have gluten-free options? If so, what are they? Now you ask me to scour the website to find the correct menu, click on it often, download the PDF, then scour that to look for something about gluten-free. That's on an easy site. There is a huge likelihood for the possible customer, who incidentally is on their phone, to abandon and move on. The alternative is the searcher engages with the chatbot, pushes the microphone button on their keypad and asks the bot, do you have any gluten-free options? The chatbot, in any of the over 70 languages it can speak, replies, yes, we do, lists them, tells them the price, and asks them if they would like to book a table. Way better. Which experience would you prefer? This is why every website will have a chatbot one day. They may as well come from you. Seems like a ton of work, but it's very easy to create a custom chatbot for a customer or even a prospect. You do not need anything but a data source. No APIs, no code, it all happens in ShopToIt. Once you have added the business you want to build a bot for, you literally click the big green chatbot button, give it a name and a data source, which can be virtually anything, docs, sheets, transcripts, PDF, etc. But it can just be a website URL to crawl. Click Save. Come back in 10 to 15 minutes, and you have a fully custom AI-based chatbot for a business. It can only answer from the data you provided, and it's live and usable in preview mode. You can even share it with the prospect to start a conversation. These are super powerful, and did I mention they are only $39 per customer per month, and you can build and deploy unlimited bots per customer. Once they are deployed, they will answer queries in over 70 languages and keep a record of the conversations so you can gain valuable insights on what they should be investing time on. Additionally, it will notify you and/or the customer if it has a problem with an answer. This happens when a visitor asks a question and there is no appropriate answer in the database. You or your client can log in, grab the conversation, and simply type in a better answer. The bots get way better over time, making them very sticky and hard to start over. The Hospitality Services Bundle, built for restaurants, pubs, and bars, can deliver an impressive return on ad spend, or ROAS. For example, a Taco Tuesday campaign generated $260 in sales for every dollar spent. The Taco Tuesday case study successfully targeted a 10-mile radius, running ads from 4 o'clock to 7 p.m. on Tuesdays with a small daily budget of $5 for each $1 they spent on the ads. They received $260 in immediate sales, and they reached 5,000 people and drove an additional $1,300 in increased sales. Business owners know other business owners who also need help. Encourage them to share their success and actively ask for referrals to make your local market more robust. Perhaps create a program where if they give you a referral and the referral buys from you and pays you for 3 months, offer them a gift card from any one of your other customers. Tell them upfront in the sales call, it will help them feel like you're invested in the local community and helping in more ways than one. Give this a try. It works and it helps, and you'll feel good about it and the results you are providing them. Not only will you become their go-to for all things digital, you'll create a lucrative, recurring profit stream. If you just get 5 smaller restaurants per month, and they are everywhere, and they can all afford $500 and they need help, after the anticipated churn of 5%, you'll be making $140,000 per year and not doing much. It's all set and forget. The AIs do the work. There are about 4 to 10 locally owned small hospitality businesses for every 1,000 people in a population. They all need help, and no one trying to help them on a budget they can handle. Go into Google Maps and find them. Reach out and discuss with them. They will be amazed that you are local and that you took the time to call with something they can afford and desperately need. So let's get started changing your customer base to include a no-work, no-overhead broad base of smaller businesses like restaurants to your portfolio, and see how much more comfortable you are each month. Just go to www.shoptoit.com and create your free builder account. It takes 5 minutes, and no credit card is required. You only start paying the $39 when you have a campaign you want to go live. Thank you, and we are here to help you build a stable, recurring profit stream, helping smaller businesses thrive in these challenging times. Good luck, and we hope to see you.